is increasing slowly. It has not happened overnight. Over many years. HPV vaccine, cervical cancer की वैक्सीन, गार्डासिल, सर्वेरिक्स, इनके नाम तो बहुत टाइम से सुने आ रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी भी tell me how many of you here have had vaccines taken yourself or for your children, your daughters? Yeah? Good. Wonderful. Congratulations. Spread this out. Alright, I'll be talking more about this, but ये मेरे को बस general overview लेना था to get an idea and to convey to you also what I'm pushing towards. So ये दोनों cancers actually they are very common हम चिल्लाते रहते हैं. The problem is they are both so easily detectable and cervical cancer का edge ये है कि it has a vaccine for prevention. The only cancer vaccine which is available is the HPV vaccine. No other cancer has a preventable condition to it. Every other cancer के लिए we keep on shouting कि high risk वाले patients को screen करो, इनको ज़्यादा screen करो, इनको regularly screen करो, जल्दी pick up करो. Everyone keeps talking about that, which is very sensible. Early detection, early treatment. The treatment is less aggressive. The quality of life for the affected person is much better. Correct? So Zafar हो गया presentation start.
Yes.
Can I start? So जो treatment है, जो care है, वो सब हमारा at our level हमें करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We have people who are specialists in this area. They will do the needful. But for you, when you are going home and spreading this message around, what is the message that you are going to take home? That spread the correct message. Dispel all the myths. See, I've written this down also. I'll read it out to you. Okay? Both breast cancer and cervical cancer can be detected at early stages and can be treated appropriately. Alright? Thus providing a good quality of life to the affected women. Now there was a time when cancer was considered to be a death sentence, but आज के ज़माने में हम ऐसा बोल ही नहीं सकते. Unless the lady is coming to you at a very late stage. उसको भी you don't give up on her. You offer her palliative care so that she lives a good quality of life for whatever number of days she can. Right? Now, the problem here is lack of awareness, number one. Lack of correct knowledge amongst the general population. आप किसी भी रूरल एरिया में चले जाएंगे, किसी को वैक्सीन के बारे में पता ही नहीं होगा, है ना? Forget about screening, forget about detection. चेकअप के लिए कहाँ आती हैं लेडीज? अपने बच्चों को लेके आएंगी, हस्बैंड्स को लेके आएंगी. अपने बारे में लेडीज give themselves the lowest priority, चलिए always. So all these social, cultural taboos, myths, and this general reluctance to talk about your own health, to talk about your issues and these problems needs to be addressed. Okay? So with my talk, what I intend to do today is just try and resolve and clarify whatever doubts, whatever misconceptions you might have related to cervical cancer, mainly its prevention by vaccination and its screening. Okay? And I hope this motivates all of you to go and spread all of your newly acquired knowledge amongst all the people that you're coming in contact with. चाहे वो आपके patients हों, चाहे वो आपके family members हों, चाहे आपके relatives हों, whatever. Right? So we begin with a very basic and a simple thing. What? Okay, there is one slide which seems to have gone. But basically cervical cancer या CA cervix जिसके पीछे पूरा silence हो गया था, it is cancer of the mouth of the uterus. Alright? बच्चेदानी के मुंह की बात करते हैं. You must understand कि जब आप checkups करते हैं as gynecologist or even as any lady doctor, when a patient comes to you and you do an internal examination, that is the place where you differ as a specialist from the rest of the doctors. So when we examine a patient internally or vaginally, हम सिर्फ उसका cervix देख सकते हैं. The uterus cannot be seen, the ovaries cannot be seen, the tubes can't be seen. The only structure which is visible outside in the vagina is the cervix or mouth of the uterus or पिशवी चतुन और बच्चेदानी का मुंह, whatever you call it. Right? अब उसको देख के हमने क्या करना है? What is the whole idea of seeing it or visualizing it? That is the point where we do screening or testing. Alright? We'll come to that a little later. Now, cervical cancer के बारे में एक अच्छी चीज़ और है, मतलब इसकी अच्छी चीज़ें मैं बता रही हूँ in spite of it being a cancer is number one, we know what causes it. What is the main cause of cervical cancer? Is this बढ़िया सा virus known as HPV. Anybody knows the full form of HPV?
Human papilloma virus.
Correct. It's the human papilloma virus. Now there are more than 100 types of this virus. ये तो एक ही नाम है. इसके बहुत सारे groups, सब groups हैं आगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers के साथ. What we need to remember is that these are the two cancer-causing types. They are the ones which have been isolated and associated with a high risk of causing cervical cancer. And mind you, not just cervical cancer, they have a very strong association with vulval cancer, with vaginal cancer, oropharyngeal cancers. As far as males go, even penile cancers के साथ उनका association. It is not, cervix is localized to women, but this virus equally affects the men as well as the women. But because in women the incidence and the occurrence of cervical cancer is so high, we are focusing heavily on the women, right? Now there are many other viruses. इनमें से ये दो भी हैं, the HPV-6 and the HPV-11. These are also HPV viruses which are found to have an affliction towards the cervix. लेकिन ये cancerous नहीं, they are more associated with pre-cancerous lesion. Right? See, cervical cancer मैंने बोला ना, इसका एक और advantage है कि बहुत लंबा टाइम लेता है. Cervical cancer is not a fast growing cancer. CA cervix takes its time. आपको बेशक डिटेक्शन स्टेज 4 में हुआ है, पर वो स्टेज 4 4 दिन, 4 हफ्ते, 4 महीने, 4 साल में नहीं हुआ है. It takes almost 10 to 15 years for this cancer to develop from a healthy to an affected to a precancerous to a cancerous lesion. ये बहुत लंबी जर्नी है. Right? So, why we insist on this test कराओ, check कराओ, screen कराओ, is that in 10 से 15 सालों तक में हम जल्दी पिकअप करें. जैसे ही हमें ऐसा कोई लीजन या ऐसा कोई एरिया दिखता है जो हमको सस्पिशियस लगता है या हमें ठीक नहीं लगता है, हम उसको ज़्यादा अग्रेसिवली चेक करते हैं, उसका टेस्ट करते हैं और टेस्ट करते हैं. अगर हमें लगता है कि ये कैंसरस बन सकता है तो हम उसका उसी टाइम पे इलाज करते हैं. And mind it, the ilaj is not a hysterectomy or chemotherapy. The ilaj is very simple things like cryo, electrocautery, small excision of that area. मतलब बहुत ही conservative methods of treatment रहते हैं जिसमें the lady can keep her uterus with her. She can have a proper childbearing life ahead of her. I hope all of you are understanding what I am saying. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है? Please feel, this is a very informal session. You please feel free to interrupt and ask questions or whatever. Don't keep it for later क्योंकि आप भी भूल जाओगे और मेरा तो फिर वैसे ही छूट जाता है. Right? So coming back to this HPV virus, the non-cancer causing types are also important because they can cause these warts, anogenital lesions, anogenital warts. They are also very annoying and irritating, and then they might progress to cancer later on. Right? So it's now coming to this what इतना कहानी इस वायरस के पीछे पेले जा रहे हैं हम लोग. इसका है क्या? What is the significance? Why is it so important? Fine, it causes cervical cancer. So, see, it's like a viral infection. सर्दी, खांसी, फ्लू वायरस, ये वायरस, अब कोरोना वायरस, all kinds of viruses and natural viruses के बारे में सबको सब कुछ ही पता है. So it's a viral infection. Usually what happens in strong, healthy women with good immune systems, this viral infection happens and over a period of time, over 1 year, 1.5 years, so चला जाता है without doing any harm, right? So that person is more or less safe. But in a girl who has this virus in her and it is not going away and it is staying there, being exposed, the cervix is being exposed to that virus all the time, उस वाले candidate, that person becomes a candidate to develop or have cervical cancer sometime in her life. Right? And as I said, वो immediately नहीं होगा. वो exposure to the virus से लेके the evolvement up to a fully invasive disease takes 10 to 15 years. Alright? So, ये अब risk के groups क्या? What do we mean when we say high risk? High risk या at risk का मतलब है कि they are people who are slightly different from the general population in the sense that they have more chances of developing this particular problem. High risk doesn't mean कि इस बंदे को कैंसर होने वाला है. It only means कि the probability of that particular condition is higher in this group. So there is a big list. I'll just quickly go through it. सबसे पहले तो a person who's had HPV infection. Secondly is girls who become sexually active at a very young age, which is less than 18, and we see this very often now. पहले भी होता था शायद, लेकिन अब it is very very obvious, and gynae OPD में तो we encounter this all the time. Although we have acts which say that any sexual activity less than 18 years is a rape case and all, but sexual activity happening before the age of 18 predisposes that girl to develop cervical cancer later, right? Persons with multiple sexual partners or with a sexual partner who has HPV, मतलब वो खुद high risk partner, the male partner has HPV, उसका जितनी बार वो उससे relation रखती है, protected intercourse करती है, उसको exposure to that virus होता है, right? Again, a person with low immune system, that is a person who is afflicted with HIV, chlamydia, gonorrhea, HSV, that is the simplex virus. People who are smokers, smoking is bad, please, smoking is very bad. Whoever smokes or knows people who smoke understand this. In every risk factor smoking आता है, for every possible thing, cancer हो, PCOD हो, infertility हो, जो मर्जी हो. Smoking is generally a reason for bringing down your immunity and leading to all kinds of issues. People who've been using oral contraceptive pills for very long time, not for 2 years or 3 years, long durations, more than 5 years, लिए जा रहे हैं. हम लोग डॉक्टर के पास अगर आते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं, okay, how long have you been on the pill? Time to stop. Or okay, you can continue. Let's see. But अपने आप ही लिए चले जा रहे हो, continuously लिए, the prolonged exposure to OC pills, they are more at risk. Doesn't mean उनको होएगा. It only means कि risk is higher. Malnutrition, low socioeconomic status, a family history of cervical cancer, girls with women who had a lot of pregnancies, full-term pregnancies. Again, it's all about exposure to the HPV virus. We keep coming back to that same thing all the time. So HPV virus एक चीज हो गया, उसके बारे में काफी बोल दिया. The significance of that virus comes when we talk about the prevention. But why this cervical cancer के पीछे क्यों इतना हल्ला मच रहा है? क्योंकि उसका इतना heavy disease burden है, not just in India, globally also, right? So in the world, it is the 7th most common cancer. This is with both the genders. If you make that list, these are figures which were released by Globocon in 2020. Okay. And in women, it's the 4th most common cancer. This is the global one, not the Indian list. More than 6 lakh women were diagnosed with cervical cancer, and more than 3 lakh deaths were caused by it globally in 2020. They're big figures. They are unhappy, right? And just imagine that one death from cervical cancer is occurring every 7 minutes in India. ठीक है? हम लोग urban area में रहते हैं. हमारा थोड़ा सा अलग आउटलुक है. We are not even looking at the huge numbers which are there widespread all over in rural areas, villages, the semi-urban areas, right? So the latest, and look at this, more than 70,000 deaths annually. This is all cervical cancer cases, which means approximately 200 women dying every day, approximately 7 women every hour, and as I said, every 7 minutes one woman dies. Not good at all. So we need to do something about it. Now WHO के जो डायरेक्टर जनरल थे, खाने पीने पे या एक हॉलिडे पे आ जाता है, आप अपने बच्चे का एक बर्थडे गिफ्ट दे दो. You know your child is turning 14, 13, 12. Give her this gift of a vaccine. 10,000, less than 10,000 for 3 doses, worth it. बेटी की शादी करा रहे हो, वैक्सीनेशन करा दो उसका. कॉलेज जा रही है, उसको फेयरवेल गिफ्ट दे दो. And खुद के ऊपर भी खर्च हो. See, pregnancy में we do not offer this vaccine. It is not safe to give the vaccine to a pregnant girl. But a girl who is lactating, we have deliveries happening at the age of 20, 21, 22, 28, 30. When they come for the postpartum checkup, we can easily tell them ये cervical cancer vaccine लगा लो. Sexual activity हो चुकी, exposure हो चुका, deliver हो चुकी, but फिर भी उसको कुछ तो protection मिलेगा. And it is safe. In the lactation period, it is very safe. Right? Now we come to screening. So why? ये तो हो गया prevention वाला part. Now the second one, and I'll wind up quickly now because we're getting bored. But we all again emphasizing it's a curable disease, well established, long pre-cancerous interval. Objective of screening क्या? कि before this thing develops into a full-fledged disease, we pick it up. Now क्या? Who knows about the tests that we have? ये तो ठीक है. अच्छा, one point here is even if you've been vaccinated, you still need screening. Alright? That is one take-home message. मेरा वैक्सीन हो गया, मैं तो नहीं कराती स्क्रीनिंग इज स्टिल राइट. सो व्हाट आर द टेस्ट दैट यू नो? आप लोगों ने किस किस स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट, ज़्यादा नहीं है, कॉमन टेस्ट क्या है? पैप्समियर. पैप्समियर तो आई थिंक सबको ही पता है. अब ये पैप्स टेस्ट क्या होता है? बेसिकली इट इज अ सिंपल चेकअप. मतलब किसी को हम बोलते हैं ना टेस्ट कराना है, तो सब ब्लड या यूरिन या स्टूल्स के बारे में सोचना शुरू करते हैं. दिस डज नॉट इन्वॉल्व एनी नीडल्स, इट डज नॉट इन्वॉल्व any disposal of your body fluids. It is something that your doctors, your gynecologists so definitely, but anybody, any doctor can do it. A speculum is important and visualization of the cervix is done. जैसे मैंने बताया था आपको स्टार्टिंग में, जो चीज़ हमको दिख रही है माउथ ऑफ द यूट्रस देख, वहाँ से हम थोड़े से सेल्स कलेक्ट करते हैं. कैसे करते हैं? एक पतला सा ब्रश होता है. इधर इनामदार में what we use is this. We do LBC. This is done, PAPS is done in two ways. One is the conventional slide test and the second is LBC or liquid based cytology. What? This is a cheaper, मतलब इसका किट सस्ता आता है और इसका स्लाइटली उससे महंगा आता है, पर टेस्ट दोनों का लैब में ही होता है, अपने को अपने लेवल पे नहीं करना होता है. इन दिस कन्वेंशनल स्मीयर जो हम सीखते आए हैं और अभी भी करते जा रहे हैं, इसमें एक पतला सा ब्रश लेके जो सर्विक्स के अंदर वाला पार्ट है वहाँ से, और एक स्पैचुला लेके सर्विक्स के बाहर वाले पार्ट से हम सेल्स कलेक्ट करते हैं. इट्स जस्ट अ टच, इट्स जस्ट अ टच लाइक दिस. देयर इज नो कुरच कुरच, देयर इज नो कटिंग, देयर इज नो पोकिंग. इट्स जस्ट अ सिंपल टच. फील भी नहीं होता, पेशेंट को पता भी नहीं चलता, उसको सिर्फ वो डिस्कम्फर्ट ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन होता है, नथिंग एल्स. देयर इज नो ब्लीडिंग आफ्टर दैट, देयर इज नथिंग, नो प्रॉब्लम. ऑलराइट. सो दोज सेल्स दैट आर टेकन, दिखाई हमको नहीं देते, हमको सिर्फ वहाँ से हमने ब्रश निकाला, स्लाइड के ऊपर एक स्ट्रोक लगा दिया, तो उसमें वो सेल्स स्लाइड पे ट्रांसफर हो जाते हैं. फिर एक फिक्सेटिव आता है अल्कोहल बेस्ड, उसको हम स्लाइड पे लगाते हैं, उसको ड्राई होने देते हैं और फिर कंटेनर पे डाल के लैब में भेज देते हैं जहाँ टेस्टिंग. जो LBC है, द अदर थिंग अगेन फॉर द पेशेंट इट इज द सेम. शी विल बी इन द सेम पोजिशन, द ओनली डिफरेंस इज द ब्रश लुक्स स्लाइटली डिफरेंट. उसको हम अंदर कैसे रोटेट करते हैं, ब्रश द सेल्स and we just take the brush off, put it in a bottle which contains some fluid and send it to the lab. The lab people there will use the fluid जिसमें cells transfer हो गए हैं brush में से, और उनको वो examine करते हैं. The sensitivity of LBC is a little better than the conventional PAPs. But again something is better. If you don't have an LBC, if your patient can't afford that, then PAPs तो करो. और a third test is there which is called VIE. This is again just to let you people know. VIA मतलब विजुअल इंस्पेक्शन विद एसिटिक एसिड. एसिटिक एसिड क्या होता है? सिरका, विनेगर. ठीक है, ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का एंटरप्राइज है. जो रूरल एरियाज है वहाँ पे तुम अपने ANMs को ट्रेन करो, वहाँ पे अपने जो भी हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स हैं उनको ट्रेन करो, बिकॉज दे हैव अ डायरेक्ट रैपो एंड अप्रोच विद द जनरल पॉपुलेशन. द पेशेंट्स कैन बी कॉल्ड और दे कैन बी एग्जामिन्ड द सेम वे. यू विल नीड अ स्पेकुलम इवन फॉर दैट. सर्विक्स को तो देखना ही पड़ेगा, जैसे हम लोग चेक करते हैं. उसमें थोड़ा सा वो एसिटिक एसिड का सोल्यूशन सर्विक्स पे अप्लाई किया जाता है और उसको देखा जाता है. इफ देयर आर एनी वाइटिश एरियाज कमिंग अप आफ्टर द एप्लीकेशन, दैट मीन्स इट इज अ हाई रिस्क. मतलब दिस नीड्स टू बी इवैल्यूएटेड मोर. इसको छोड़ नहीं सकते. दिस इज नॉट अ नॉर्मल रिपोर्ट. इफ आफ्टर द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द सर्विक्स इट लुक्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक इट वाज बिफोर, इट्स ओके, शी कैन कम बैक आफ्टर 3 weeks. Correct? So this is how you do some jugaad and make things possible where you don't have big and large expensive resources. This is in a low resource. ठीक? So anything else in the और भी tests हैं. There is another test called HPV test. हम directly HPV का जो DNA है उसका presence है कि नहीं है patient के cervix में, वो हम test कर सकते हैं. जैसे LBC करते हैं ना, यही वाले fluid में हम DNA को भी test कर सकते हैं. Again लेकिन उसमें थोड़े से पैसे ज़्यादा. So you have HPV testing kits available. आजकल self examination is also possible. You know everything is so independent these days. Everything is so independent. The woman can test herself in the privacy of her home. But this is more India. I am not aware of the self examination kits. Physicians definitely have the HPV kits. तो उसमें हम ये सैंपल लेके लैब में भेजते हैं. They give the report. These are simple questions that if negative fine, if positive, she needs to be evaluated. Your friends will ask. We also do a co-testing. Co-testing मतलब ये PAPS कर लो, इसके साथ DNA भी कर. अगर आपने ये किया और आपकी रिपोर्ट नेगेटिव आई है तो आपको 5 साल की छूट है। You can come back after 5 years for a recheck. It becomes more accurate. ठीक है? So
25 to 65
Next.
years के group में
these are simple questions that you will come across who are your friends will ask. अगर स्क्रीनिंग करनी है कौन से ग्रुप की? इंडिया में हम 25 से 65 years की जो लेडीज हैं उनको हम दिस इज द recommended age. Now if a 21 year old sexually active girl comes and asks for a pap smear, you can do paps and you will not refuse it once and for all.
So 25 to 65 years के 65 years
पहले ना हर साल का हमारे पास 6 महीने का पैप्स क्यों है? जस्ट बिकॉज आपका एग्जामिनेशन हो रहा है डजंट मीन कि एवरी टाइम यू गो टू गेट अ पैप स्मीयर. Once in 3 years, if you do a pap smear, it's fine if you've done a simple paps or LBC. And if you've done a core test, that means HPV का test है last 15 years paps and HPV का कराया है once in 5 years.
You can always say to ma'am
If you are more than 65 years, again,
for the first time
ऐसे भी ladies आती हैं. हमारे बेटे के पास हेल्थ
There is something known as
डिस्क्रिशन आई एम 70 years old
patients
we
need
do
to
paps.
individualize at some
It is not recommended, but if you do a paps for her, and she is okay with it,
ये तो सारे normal patient हो गए. अगर आपका कोई patient है जिसको
so if in the last 15 years that lady has been consistently coming negative, you can always say to ma'am regular
pathology
gynecology
करके
but if she's come to you for the first time for a paps at age of 70
हम cervix
there is something known as discretion.
जो CIN
Patients need to be individualized at some
coagulation मतलब
So
very
if you have waited ये तो सारे normal patient हो गए. अगर आपका कोई पेशेंट है जिसको ट्रीटमेंट मिला
कि वो डिजीज
और CI
तो
उसका आप फॉलो अप करो HPV टेस्ट करके या साइटोलॉजी करके 12 months एंड 1 साल के बाद उसको वापस चेक करें. हम सर्विक्स निकालते नहीं हैं, यूट्रस निकालते नहीं हैं. जो CIN लीजन है उसमें हम इलेक्ट्रोकॉर्टिनी क्रायोकोएगुलेशन मतलब we do very conservative management protocols of they need to be screened and evaluated कि वो डिजीज वैसा का वैसा ही बढ़ा तो नहीं है चला ही गया है so that has to be done at 12 months post after 1 year not after 3 years uterus नहीं and if a report has been abnormal and patient has been treated for cervical cancer irrespective of whatever treatment was done you have given and you will screen her for 20 years.
she does not require
If she has been detected
और
for
आप
cervical
इसका
cancer
लोग
at
अगर
age
qualify
or
तो
maybe
चाहे
at age
तो है ही अगर उसकी hysterectomy हो
not at the
unless she has a
65
subtotal hysterectomy then she comes into the same category as the previous
post history
25 to 65
Uterus नहीं. कराना चाहिए था
cervix
आपने.
is there but
Yes,
usually
no.
when we do total hysterectomy
If the hysterectomy was done for a benign non-cancerous
Vaginal
cause,
smear.
she does not require a PAPS.
if
और आप PAPS किसका लोगे अगर
come to you
लोगे?
with
सिर्फ वजाइना का smear,
10 12 days
right? Cervix तो है ही नहीं अगर उसकी hysterectomy हो गई. Unless she has a subtotal hysterectomy, then she comes into the same category as the previous one, 25 to 65. that 3 साल में 5 साल में करना क्योंकि cervix is there.
but अगर
But
CIN
usually when we do a total hysterectomy, they remove the
you
cervix.
should do
And there is only the vaginal wall here. You take a vaginal smear in that case.
and that also 6
If you do not know, many patients come to you with hysterectomies already.
So this is a small picture.
Number one, बहुत bleeding of the mouth और बहुत bleeding तो कैंसर में भी हो सकती है. ये जब हम check भी हो सकती
this
है.
is exactly what we
तो इसका किस लिए हुआ है? That will be the
This is the normal
prevention.
one. This is
करना
how
ही
normal
नहीं.
healthy cervix
But अगर CIN के लिए hysterectomy हुआ, तो then you should do an HPV test. Alright? And that also 6 and 18 months. So this is a small picture of the mouth of the uterus or the cervix. ये जब हम check करते हैं ना, this is exactly what we see. इसके 4 zones हो गए. This is the normal one. This is how a normal healthy cervix looks. And this is, you know, can you see these lesions उभरा हुआ area है? ये cancerous lesion. ये cancer good and proper. ये कहाँ invade हुआ है वो अपने को check. But this and this, these are low grade and high grade CIN. These are the pre-cancerous lesions. This is where our screening plays a great role. हम अगर यही इधर ही पकड़ लें ना इसको, तो ये अगले बार ऐसे भी दिख सकते हैं, right? That's a full blown, the one I was telling you. ऐसा cervical cancer होता है, it's a fungating cauliflower-like growth, infective, discharging, not a pleasant one. Okay? So, any questions for the screening? I'm done with screening. Screening related questions. Anybody has any doubts? अगर किसी को आप में से किसी को screening कराना है अपनी mothers का या फैमिली मेम्बर्स को स्क्रीनिंग के लिए लाना हो, तो कोई डाउट है आपके मन में? इसके लिए कोई प्रिपरेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस इतना है कि पीरियड्स नहीं होने चाहिए पेशेंट को, क्योंकि वो ब्लड स्टेन डिस्चार्ज विल अफेक्ट द मतलब द सेल्स विल बी मिक्स्ड विद ब्लड व्हेन वी आर सेंडिंग देम फॉर टेस्ट. दैट्स द ओनली प्रिकॉशन. There is no fasting needed, there is no 10-hour, 12-hour interval needed. She comes to your OPD for a regular screening checkup or for a regular checkup, to examining her, offer her a PAPS. आप हिस्ट्री तो लेते ही हो पेशेंट की, और अगर आपकी ओपीडी में नहीं आ रही है, आपका फैमिली मेम्बर आप बात कर रहे हो और बातों बातों में निकल आया कि उसने पैप्स कभी कराया ही नहीं है, उसकी एज 30 साल की है, 35 साल की, आपकी वाइफ्स हैं, आपकी डॉटर्स हैं, सेंड देम फॉर स्क्रीनिंग. Send them to school. It's important.
For people who are above 20 or 30,
Above 30.
and delivered first. So, do we do screening before giving vaccine?
Screening is separate, vaccine is separate. Vaccine तो हम
I'm
देंगे.
just saying that is screening needed
Yes.
for giving vaccine?
No, screening is not needed for vaccine. But even if she is vaccinated, she will still need to be screened. And you can do both in the same setting also. इसको
Yeah.
vaccine भी दे दो और साथ में screening भी करो.
So if she has low grade, like we saw in the structure,
Yes.
so that will that protect the vaccine if she's not screened and she receives the vaccine and later we come to know that she has low grade lesions. So will that be any benefit to her?
Yes, the intensity of the spread, the severity will be affected. क्योंकि वो virus इसको destroy कर रहा है. And at the same time आपने detect कर लिया है कि उसको LSIL है, low grade CL है, तो उसको साथ के साथ see and treat is what we are looking at now. आपने लीजन देखा, सी प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, पहले पेशेंट आता है, टेस्ट किया, वो घर गई, 3 दिन बाद रिपोर्ट आया, फिर आपके पास ओपीडी में आया, आपने पढ़ा, फिर आप उसको किसी और के पास भेजोगे कि भी इसका तो कुछ CIN लग रहा है, फिर वो ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाते हैं, गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाते हैं, उसकी इतनी ट्रिप्स हो जाती हैं. अगर आप एक ही लेवल पे देख लिया, कॉल्पोस्कोपी कर लिया, वहाँ से बायोप्सी ले लिया और आगे लाइन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट डिसाइड कर लिया, पेशेंट के लिए भी कंफर्टेबल होता है और वहीं के वहीं उसको अरेस्ट कर लिया. है ना? Any other questions? Anything else? बाप रे, कितना पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस. शर्मी मैम, इतना तो आप गाते हो तब भी सन्नाटा नहीं होता, तब भी थोड़ा रोने धोने की आवाज़ें तो आती हैं. I feel I've shocked everyone. So any questions, anything at all? Anyways, if there are any doubts, please feel free to come and talk to me in the OPD anytime you want. I'm here most of the times. Cervical cancer, like most of the cancers, doesn't really have any symptoms in the first stage. That is a problem. Usually no symptoms. ये हमारी Jade Buri, who was in the news, for cervical cancer. Now, if cancer is advanced, then these are the symptoms: bleeding problems, post-intercourse bleeding episodes, abnormal smelly vaginal discharge, sometimes painful intercourse, sometimes low backache. They are vague complaints. They are not specific to cervical cancer. Okay? And unexplained weight loss, which can again happen with any cancer. So these are the symptoms. This way I am not going to really harp, because any menstrual disorders, you are anyways going to come to a line. You will anyways approach a doctor. So that should be taken care of. Do not ignore. मतलब इसका message ये है, अपने symptoms ignore मत. Okay? And treatment will depend, that I am not going to touch upon. It depends upon the stage of the cancer, it depends upon the size of the cancer, it depends on the woman's age and her desire to have children. No doctor is going to chop off everything, remove everything without the consent of the patient. उसको क्या चाहिए पहले पूछो तो सही, उसकी एज तो देखो, उसके हिसाब से you make a treatment plan. So the goal was to create awareness. Our technical glitches put a little क्या कहना चाहिए obstacle to what we were planning, but thank you so much for being here. I hope सब मतलब इतने भी लोगों को रजिस्टर्ड हो गया और आप आगे जाके 10 लोगों को ये मैसेज कन्वे करेंगे, तो this is a successful program. This is the point of doing something on world cancer. Okay? Prevention is better than cure. So vaccination and screening will help in elimination of cervical cancer, and we need you to participate as well. Thank you. So we're done. तालियां भी सौ के बजाते हैं.